Yes. My computer has a backup. It'll shut it off by itself.
Oh.
Oh, I can hear the hail again.
Did you say tornado cloud?
In London, that's what they said, yeah. And that storm's coming here.
Lovely. We can get a tornado.
Yeah, they said possibility for a weak tornado. Cannot be ruled out. It's nasty.
Just go hide in the basement. I'm not going down there, but it's too dark. What would a week for you? Can you turn that on for me?
You can't turn the light off. It's easier to see.
Yeah. Me too. Yeah, chocolate? No.
Wow. Felt that one.
Not in your real kitchen or something.
Nope. I don't got anything.
He doesn't have anything. Liar!
Oh, there might have been a little bit left there from a while back.
I bet I took the nice table when I cleaned it, so
I forgot about those.
Excuse me? I shared chocolate with you. No. Chocolate is one of the time. Barbecue? Mm-hmm. Okay, you can turn the light on now.
I'm not going to get electrocuted. This is coming from the person who took a shower in the storm.
Shut up.
Kind of hard to see it, but you can definitely hear it.
What's that? Upstairs, I guess. I don't know. I just went down there and upstairs. I don't know. He's in the house. Really? Who was the one pretending to hang himself tonight? Maybe he wants to be electrocuted now.
Wow.
Dangerous. Tornadoes coming.
Wow.
What? Is that a tornado?
No. It's just a lot of wind.
Why you asking that, Jason?
I don't know what that was, but that went and came really quickly. Wow.
Is the wind all done?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, you may not be wrong about what you just said, Cynthia. That might have been something.
Or a small tornado.
That might have been something, because the way it came like that, I don't know. Wow.
Oh my goodness. Fuck, it's like sheets of rain.
I'll say.
No, it actually looks like sheets of rain.
Where? Outside, yeah, it's sheets of rain. You should have seen it before.
Yeah. It was what before, it was rolling down.
Actually, for 10 seconds there, it was like before.
Yeah.
That was nuts.
I'm sure God it's not like that when I was delivering the mail today. That would have been scary.
That would have been fun, eh, Newman?
Yeah, funny. She was about struck by lightning, Fred.
No, it's...
Especially in the streets, I was, it was all big trees there. It's an old area, they have some of the trees in that area. It's beautiful, but in the storm, much more dangerous. All right, smart person, how you swap?